everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my Jam, and I had a little small unboxing for you today. It's actually more along the lines of perfume, but I do consider it kind of a luxury brand and item, so I'm gonna do that. And then I really like some of the perfume videos I've seen people do lately, so I am going to also go over some of my favorites, letting you know what they are. So the first thing I'm going to unbox is I finally bit the bullet and purchased something from House of Sillage. So many people have shown them, and I found a great deal, and so I decided to buy it. When you buy it, it came with a free set of women's perfumes. So I'm going to try these yet, but I'm not going to talk about these in the haul. One of the other things I also wanted, I see so many people get these for free, but I have to finally have one. I ordered this, and it's the lipstick case. It comes in a nice little box like this. It's magnetic. You open it up. Inside, you actually have a nice little box like that, velvety. You open that up, and the item comes in a dust jacket like this. And then finally, you open it up, and inside I got the little bow tie, the black one. Black and silver with all the Swarovski crystals all over it. So I did pay for this, but I got everything I got today cheaper than a bottle of their perfume because of the sale that there was. So I got that. I got a filler for it too. It's just like a lip gloss. It's a clear, non-showing gel. And then the perfume that I got actually came in this nice little box here. It says House of Sillage. You open it up. Get a nice little card there. You can see the top in the box. I got Passion de l'Amour, and it opens like this. And this has green Swarovski crystals all over it. Green is my absolute favorite color. So I got this little cupcake. And then to open it, for me at least, as far as I know, you twist it off a little bit. And then it comes in the cap, says the name of it and everything in gold, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful bottle. I bought this without having smelled the perfume before. I just knew I wanted one. I saw this. I love green, and I knew this was the one. I hoped I liked it. I wrote down the notes here for it to give you a little bit of idea. The top notes for it are saffron and rosemary. Saffron and raspberry. The heart notes are caramel and amorous oil. And the base notes are quud. It's like QUD. I'm not sure what that is. And Liatrix Absolute. Again, not sure what that is, but it had that. One other quick thing I was going to show you that I don't think I've ever brought up before was my first Versace piece. And I keep it in my room here, so I thought I'd show it now in case I never showed it before as I throw it around. And I probably should have had the cover off. But I just got this cute little Versace tray. Just got the V on it. I wanted something with the green and purple. So I got that. If I showed that before, I'm sorry. Apologize, just want to show it. Okay, and now we'll get back to the other perfumes that I wear and thought that people might be a little bit interested in. I apologize. The only one I didn't research to find out what exactly was in it was the Tiffany and perfume. So you can look that up if you want to. It's from Tiffany. Comes in a little blue box. It's a fresh, you'll be able to tell. I like a lot of the same kind of scents. It's just a fresh, nice, clean scent. So it comes packaged in a nice little blue box, and I really like it. I've used a good amount of it, as you can see. Another perfume that I really enjoy is Escada Flor del Sol. I really like Escada perfumes. They're really sweet. Again, I have all my little notes here. This one, it doesn't really tell you the notes that I could find online, but it just said that the main accords are aromatic, fruity, sweet, citrus alcohol, fresh, spicy, bitter, floral, and woody. Alcohol, yay. No, okay, another perfume that I really enjoy, actually a number of perfumes, I love the Juliette Has a Gun perfumes. This one is and it is it's my favorite of them. It's the top notes are geranium, neroli, and raspberry. Heart notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and tuberose, absolute. And the bottom notes are patchouli, sandalwood, and absolute. I love this. It's like powdery goodness, and I shouldn't even say this. It reminds me a little bit of Play-Doh, but in a good way, and I really, really like it. Another one of the perfumes I have from Juliette Has is this pear ink. Comes in such a pretty bottle. I bought it because I love pears, and I love the bottle. This one says that the top notes are pear accord. Heart notes are Cetilox. I'm not sure what that is. And the bottom notes are musk. And that does describe it. I thought it would be fruitier than it is. And it's really not. It, again, to me, would be more, it likens itself more to a fresh scent versus a more powdery kind of scent. I guess there's no citrus in it, but then again, why would there be? A pear isn't really citrus. So, but it's a fun one. And one perfume that I don't have out here, but I do have the spray bottle of it, and I am buying a full size of it, is the Juliette Has Vanilla Vibes perfume. That one is, I only have, like I said, this size of it. This isn't the one, but it's the only size of it I have. And that one has, the top notes are, is sea salt. The heart notes are natural vanilla absolute, orchid absolute, and then the bottom notes are absolute brown musk, bisane absolute, sandalwood, and tonka bean. Speaking of this one, I do have this in a full size, and I have the this little tube of it. This is Seven Virtues, and my understanding is they're a pretty clean brand, that they're like sustainable brand. The Seven Virtues has a number of scents. I love the vanilla woods. Its keynotes are pear, rose, and then vanilla infused with sugarcane alcohol. I kind of brought this up. I think I was watching Winnie BLV's videos, and was she speaking about Jo Malone? I got on the Jo Malone train, but I can't say that I'm a huge fan of these. The two that I have are grapefruit. Cologne. Words are hard with my tired old eyes. I wanted this so bad. Bought it without having smelled it because there are some other grapefruit perfumes I've liked. This one's a little strong for me. It's not exactly what I expected. It's very fresh. If you like a fresh perfume, you'll like this. And it describes it, like if you look at the website, as freshness with slightly bitter, zesty tone. And, oh boy, let me just look at, sorry, my notes are continued over here. The heart note, or the grapefruit is freshness with slightly bitter, zesty tone. The heart note is rosemary, fresh with accents of lavender and camphor and mint. And the base notes are the verdancy of moss. It says the verdancy of moss cushions the base fragrance in earthy, woody, warm tones. Again, maybe that's it. It's a little bit too earthy or woody for me, but it was not what I was expecting from a grapefruit. The other one I do like more, you can see I've used more of it and I've had it less time, is the Nectarine, Blossom, and Honey. That one, the top notes is cassis, intensely juicy, it said, ripe, with a crisp edge. The heart notes are Arcadia, honey, honey note. It says smooth, sweet accents of beeswax and blossoms, and the base notes are peach. So I like this one. It's not quite as pungent, for lack of a better word, and I don't think these scents stay with me nearly as long as I would like. So I'm very surprised at these. I thought that I would like them more, and I just they're just not big favorites of mine. Another one I have here is Chance by Chanel. I've used that one quite a bit. Again, it's another fresh scent. Again, so many people have this or access to it that I'm not going to go into too many details about it. Let's see. Another one that they sell at Sephora that I don't see a lot of people talk about. This is an older bottle of it. It's an Atelier cologne. This is Clementine, California. And this one is a fresh unisex scent. It's got fresh citrus and fruits. Keynotes are vetiver, clementine, and star, I'm not sure. Clement, it's fruity. It smells orangey. I really like it. I like citrus scents sometimes. So I got that. Another huge new favorite is this. I have these. The Guerlain, you know, powdered beads that you can put on as an all-over topper. And they smell just divine. And I wanted something that smelled like that. And I remembered that that was a violet scent. So I, again, without having smelled it, ordered this Guerlain fragrance. This is Insolence. I bought the Eau de Perfume. And this just says it's a powdery duo, not dual, of violet and iris with a dash of berries. It is so good. Yeah, I love this. I just got this, and I'm already putting a little bit of a hurt on it because it is so good. It looks beautiful. It's got the upside down heart on the top, and the bottle's beautiful. And this comes packaged. If you watch one of my other videos, I unbox it. It comes packaged beautifully. Again, like a luxury, like you're getting a beautiful luxury gift. It is awesome. So I have that. And then lastly, what I wear quite a bit is the Replica perfumes. This is Beach Walk, and it is like you're walking on the beach. It is just, it's salty and not real coconutty. Like I thought maybe at first that it was going to be more like I got my little notes here, like a suntan lotion, kind of like some of the other beachy ones are, but it's not. The keynotes are bergamot, heliotrope, and coconut milk. And it's awesome. This is my second bottle. I went through my first bottle like a mad person, and I just love it. You can kind of take a look here, what it says. Most of these Replica perfumes are unisex, and this absolutely would be, but it smells. I didn't know you could capture a beach walk in a scent, and you can because it's right here. I can't recommend this one enough if you really like a beach scent. Without it being smelling like suntan lotion. And lastly, I got from Replica Under the Lemon Tree. Basically, it's what it said it is. It's very citrusy scent. Not completely lemon, though. I thought it was going to be just solely like a lemon scent, like, oh, I just used my pledge or something. No, it's not like that at all. Oh, sorry, dropped my notes. But it's a very good light, again, fresh scent. I really like light, fresh scents, or kind of sweet, but not really sweet scents. I would have to say out of all of these, if I had to pick favorites, that would be really hard. But I would say right now, the Guerlain is a huge favorite. I also have Shalimar by Guerlain, but I haven't worn that in years. That's a little sweet. I would have to say it's this. This is my third bottle of Juliette Has a Gun. So I would say that is definitely a favorite. And I would say my Seven Virtues Vanilla is a favorite. So if you like a sweet, like, again, not too sweet, like raspberry vanilla scent, it's really good. Beach Walk would be right up there as well. Escada, sweet goodness. But yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Just kind of wanted to do a quick little perfume haul and haul my House of Sillage items I got. Next video for me will be up in a week, and that is a haul. I have 2 bags to unbox from a house I've never purchased from before, and small SLG from a house I haven't purchased from before. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you could. That would be great. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, and I would love to just bounce past that. I put up videos right now. It'll be every Friday. If things pick up and I increase my viewership, I'd love to do even more videos. Please let me know anything you'd like to see in the comments. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks.